This video is sponsored by EVBase. Hey everyone, Moshe the Electric Israeli is here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Please give me a like also. If you're in the market to buy a Tesla car, use my referral code. And I've been reporting on this almost on a weekly basis. If there is an ultimate example of the Osborne effect, this is what's happening now. Now, any day now, could be this week, we don't know, that the Tesla Model Y, the new model as they call it, will be launched in the United States. It's been out in China for like 2 weeks now, 10 days, 100,000 pre-orders, 100,000 in China. Holy moly. Forget the rest of it. So it's a great hit. We made many videos about that. We're not going to get into that. Still in the United States, the older model, it's been around since 2020, so it's 5 years now. The older model is still around and the deals are incredible. Now here's what I always tell you: if you don't mind the older model and the older technology and all that, it's still a great car. You can get deals that are unreal, unbelievable, unconscionable. So here, let me just show you. First of all, this been around for a while, okay? The Tesla Model Y, lease $299 per month, $3,000 down, 36 months, 10,000 miles. That still holds, okay? This is for the lease. Obviously, if you want to finance it, it's not as great as it used to be. It's now 6%, $579, $4,000 down. It's still good. It's still very good. Actually, you can finance that, and the cash, I always include the $7,500, $37,490. It is a great deal. It's not good, it's great. Now, I don't know how much the new one will cost, and what we do know that the federal tax incentive might go away soon. So you can consider that. So that's one risk. Here's the inventory. And I always like to go to inventory. These are new. This is in my area, North New Jersey. And there are some reduced price in spectacular discount. Here's this white one for price reduction of $2,450. There's better one. I looked around. Price here it is. Price reduction $3,000. $3,000 for this Model Y long range gray color. Here's another one, white 1960 if you like the white. And then once you go back, depends where you live, you can find so many, and Tesla is basically giving them away. Here's 960 reduction of the price. Here's another one, 960. This one, $2,500 reduction. This is unbelievable. All right, let's pick a few more. Here's one for $80. Here's $1,470, and here's another one, $1,470. I promise, let's do this. I love playing with this. Another $1,470. Here's $970. Here's $3,060. Okay, bingo was his name. Here's a white one. Adjusted price $3,060. Okay, you can lease it. You can lease it. You absolutely can lease it. Let's take out the incentives for the gas savings. That's what I mean. See, here we go. White one. $398, $3,000 down, cash all in, okay, $47,930, but you take out the $7,500 because most people are qualified for that incentive. $40,430. That's unbelievable for this beautiful car, white, black interior. Okay, here's the 20-inch wheels that it has. Unbelievable. Okay, finance is pretty much the same. 6 to, I think it's the same in terms of the percentage. All right. So the point is this: this is my area. There are so many in inventory everywhere. You see, up to 3,000 in some places. You can get 4,000. Now, just because we're in the neighborhood, the Cybertruck as well. There are so many incentives, so many opportunities to buy some. Now, for the Model Y, by the way, If you use my referral code, you get $500 off. For the Cybertruck, you get $1,000 off. So whatever it is that I quoted, if you decide to finance it or to buy it in cash, you get another $500. Here's the Cybertruck. Okay, this is $1,000 incentive. Here's one. Look, $3,410 reduction. Here's another one, $1,600. These are the dual motor, 1670, 1640. Okay, let's do a couple more. 1710. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. $3,370 reduction. Let's pick this one, just for the sake of it. This is the foundation series. This get the tax, not the tax. This get free supercharging for life. The foundation get free supercharging for life. Okay, free supercharging. This is the foundation one for the dual motor. Okay, the all-wheel drive. All right, the foundation one. Okay, so this is these are incredible deals. Now back to the Model Y, because that's more interesting. The Model Y, again, if you are willing to take the risk of the tax incentive going away, and if you are you don't mind about the newest model, whatever, it is such a great deal. If I needed a car now, I'm not sure that I wouldn't do it. I'm not sure that I'll say, forget it. What do I care? I will just do it now. It is a great opportunity. Tesla is getting rid of them, 3,000 and up in price reduction. By the way, so you know, if the Tesla Model Y refresh will come out tomorrow online, you still can buy the inventory one. They will be around for a while. That's for sure. They'll be around for a while. All right, I'll continue to follow this story for you. It's so interesting. Thank you guys for watching.